State Security Agency may have no legal basis to order the withdrawal of Jacques Pauw's controversial book, The President's Keepers. That's the opinion of the director of the Center for Constitutional Rights, Phephelaphi Dube. On Friday, the State Security Agency gave the book publishers 5 days to withdraw the book from circulation and to stop printing more copies, claiming the book violates the Tax Administration and the Intelligence Services Act. South Africans have responded by snapping up every available copy within 24 hours of the agency's order.
There's no doubt the State Security's order on Friday afternoon that the book be pulled from stores countrywide has helped to turn it into an international success. But does the law allow the agency to order its withdrawal? The Center for Constitutional Rights says no.
Both the Intelligence Services Act as well as the Tax Administration Act only really specify that it's against the law for either employees or former employees to make certain disclosures. And in this instance, we're talking about a book that's been written by a journalist who hasn't been in the employ of either the State Security Agency or SARS itself. So it would appear as if the State Security Agency has simply misunderstood the law, and there's really no legal basis to seek to ban the book.
But the police minister holds a different view.
The issue of Jacques Pauw and him writing books that border on the, intelligence classified information, it is within the right of SSA to take him on the matters if ever he has actually published classified information. There is nothing untoward about that. It is a matter that happens in the environment we are in, because we can't allow people to undermine the authority of the state, including things that are classified. If they are classified issues, they must be attended to. And journalists must know that classified information is classified information. And rule of law must apply.
But what do ordinary South Africans make of the controversy surrounding the book?
If the book says the truth, it must be published. But if the book says the false, it must not be published.
This gentleman says the book mustn't be removed before the president has responded to the allegations. He adds, if he responds and we can see these were wrongful accusations, we will support him in having the book banned. While this gentleman says we need to know before the president leaves how much of the state's money he's stolen. Whoever published this book, no matter their race, is welcome here as long as they publish the truth. The publishers are expected to respond to the agency's cease and desist letter this week, although it's already stated publicly that it won't accede to the state agency's order. Lukhanyo Khalada, SABC News, Parliament.